Oh, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do an update video because I'm getting quite a few DMs, people asking me about the flip plate. Does it still work? As you can see, it does. Do I do anything to maintain it? Have I had any problems? Well, the only problem that I had is I did run something over because my car sits really low and it actually bent the mechanism, so I had to replace it. Apart from that, all I really do is I do put a lithium grease on the wires and on the actual mechanism where it runs alongside it. But I have also done this. Let me show you. Okay, because you can see what I've done. I've used a little bit of Corex here. I've covered over the actual mechanism. I've put a cable tie one end to hold it in, and then it's screwed to my splitter at the other end. This seems to stop all the rubbish getting into the actual mechanism. And as you can see, it doesn't interfere with the number plate because the number plate goes above it, so it doesn't damage the number plate. No problem with there. And there you go, all good. If you haven't seen the original video, please do check out Idiot in His Garage and you'll see the installation of this great flip plate. Right, please hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you again very, very soon.